What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another DXU video here in the beginner course. So today what we're going to talk about is the three types of charts. Okay, here behind me you can see this is a line chart. Okay, this is a line chart. It's very basic. Just shows you kind of the trend of the market, if you will. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit so you can see it. So there you go. That is a line chart. Okay. You probably won't use this chart when you become a seasoned trader. You probably won't use it too much, but I'm pretty sure you'll use it when you're first starting out. Not to do your technical analysis or anything, too much of your technical analysis, but it's really good for doing finding support and resistance zones, which you'll find out about that, what support and resistance is in the next course. So line chart, this is one of the charts that you can do. The other is called a bar chart. Okay, bar chart. So let me zoom in so you can see. Okay, so there you go. If you look at this green one right here, it's really just a straight line, and then it has, you'll see here, it has an extension or a leg or a foot or whatever, and then up here it has one as well. What that is this is showing you where the market opened at on this candle and where it closed at. That's what that line is, and that's what that line is. Okay. Now, the next chart is actually called a candlestick chart. This is the chart that most traders use to do their technical analysis. Okay, it's basically the same as a line. A bar chart. It's just prettier in a more prettier and graphic format. Okay, many traders like this chart because not only is it prettier but easier to read. All right, so same thing. Where the body is where it opened and where it closed. Okay, where it opened and where it closed. This does allow, you'll see that it has these what we call wicks on them. Okay, wicks. Those are, we'll get into that in the next video when I talk about candlesticks and break down what that is, what it means, open and close, and all that good stuff, how these wicks are formed, why they look different, why there's some are smaller, some are bigger, some don't have wicks on them like this one. Some have really long wicks with big bodies. Some have, like this green one right here, has no body and really long wicks. So there's a lot of different unique candlesticks that are painted. And if you guys remember in a past video how I said that the charts speak a language, okay? The charts speak a language about price action and where price is going to go. And candlesticks, the candlestick chart makes it the easiest to read that language, okay? So yeah, most traders use the candlestick chart. So what this does is they signify the high and low range from the vertical lines top to bottom, the high and low range for that time frame. If you see up here, we are on the 1 hour chart. Okay, we are on the 1 hour chart. Now, what that means is each one of these candles is 1 hour's worth of time data, 1 hour's worth of data collected of the price action, the price movement. Okay, this is price over here. If you guys remember how I pointed out the pips? This is the price rate over here. All these numbers over here is the price rate. This is current price right here. It'll go up and down, and you'll see this line, the ask and bid line. You guys remember that? The ask and bid line is the red and blue line here, which creates the spread. Okay. So what happens is, as time goes, price fluctuates. Remember I said price always fluctuates. So as price fluctuates, you will see this candle get bigger and bigger, okay, and paint more and more of the candle to create a big candle like this, or to create a small candle like this. It all depends on what happens, how much price moves in that time frame, okay, in that 1 hour time frame. If we go down to the 5-minute chart, okay, each one of these candles is 5 minutes worth of time. So if I were to highlight, let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this big red candle here. Okay, I'm going to highlight that big red candle. So that is 1 hour's worth of data of price movement. That means price opened up here, and it just moved between this level for an hour until that hour was up, and then the next candle opens. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to do what I call inception, or we're going to do a macro view of that 1 hour candle. What that means is we are going to go inside, we're going to dive inside that candle and get more in-depth view of what price was doing during that one candle. Okay, get a more detailed view. So we're going to go to the 5-minute. Okay, and then we're going to, so there we go. This is what happened inside that one candle. Okay, this is the movement that happened inside that one candle. Okay, so in an hour, these are how many 5-minute candles took place inside that 1 hour candle. Okay, so now when we go back to the 1 hour, okay, go back to the 1 hour. And there is that 1 hour candle. Okay, we'll go back to the, let's go to the 30-minute. Okay, there we are on the 30-minute. So it's really this candle and this candle. Okay, those are the two candles for the 1 hour candle. We'll go back to the 1 hour. And there you go. That 1 hour candle is those two 30-minute candles. Okay, so if we went down to the 3-minute, those are the 3-minute candles that are actually taking place within that 1 hour candle. Okay, so this is why we really like to use the candlestick chart, is because you can read it a little bit more clear, and it presents itself a lot more easier on the eyes than just seeing. Let's go back to the line chart. You know, you really want to be able to signify where the body of the candle is, and the body of the candle is, back to the candlestick, the body of the candle is the thicker part of the candlestick, I mean, is the thicker part, okay? The others are, we call wicks. So those are the three type of charts, guys. I'm pretty sure that you're going to get used to the candlestick chart, because that is what you are going to be seeing all the time on our classes, is the candlestick chart. So with that said, guys, we'll see you on the next video, and have a great one. Take care.